Alright, this is a Shopify store, and here you can see the header of this website, which is the .com name and some name. And if you think your website homepage title is ugly, here is how you can change it. So this is my Shopify store, and first of all, of course, you need to go on Shopify backend. And when you go on Shopify backend, for changing this homepage title, you just simply go to online stores and then preferences. And when you see on preferences, you will see your social media sharing SEO logo, image, and this is the homepage title, and this is the meta description. You just simply need to change. For my case, I just want to reformat this name like this, and I just want to remove this part, and now I believe this is look good from the previous one. Okay, and when you are happy, then hit the save button, and then it will change. Let me show you it will change or not. Here you can see this is our previous one, and just visit my website, and here you can see it's already changed. So that's so simple, right? So that's all the video. If you found this video was useful, please subscribe my channel, because it will help me to continue on this channel. Every day I will try to publish this kind of useful content on that, so you will be benefited if you subscribe that. And if you want to need my consultancy, you can book a meeting, because I am a top rated freelancer on Upwork, and I already completed more than 300 projects on there. So that means you will love that. So not only this Shopify customization, I expert on Facebook ads, conversion tracking, Google Analytics setup, GTM, and Google Ads tracking. So my experience will help you if you are facing this kind of issue. So feel free to contact me. Just need to go on the video description and click on that button, then you will get my information. You can send me message on WhatsApp, or you can directly schedule a meeting with me. So that's it guys, see you on the next one. Till then, bye, have a great day.